Yo guys, it's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana yase Kings, batsumtimando, mabuyu, bambulunyu, hlase. Ubhodla manzi abafukazane bebhodla utshwala. Welcome to another exciting episode. Wait. Let's do this again. Welcome to the greatest episode of ANGISAKUFUNI. Yes, you heard me right. ANGISAKUFUNI on King Ginger TV. We are back. People have been calling me saying, Ginger, we need your help. I want to break up with my person because ngathi umuntu mangithi ngikhuluma naye umashaya or ngathi kuumuntu onjani. So I decided to come back and say angisakufuni. I'm still here and I'm still going to help people to break up with people. As we are breaking up today, my name is King Ginger, cream de la cream. Please make sure that you tell a friend ukuthi subscribe at King Ginger TV because we have another banger episode. Now we have 2 shows on King Ginger TV. We have Koka Mtanami and we have Angisakufuni. After this one, I'll be showing you my sister ozelana neindaba zakho uyangikhalela uthi Ginger, listen, enough is enough. I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. I want to break up with this nigga. After this. Hey yo guys, as I said, I'm back and I'm back with it. Njengamanje ngizodonsa uMamazi, I introduce asitshela ukuthi khambani. Mamazi. Spibele King. Hello.
Hi.
Igama.
Avida.
Kwenzakalani Avida manje? Sungibamba ngemessage ende izithini? Tell us kwenzakalani?
Like I'm tired.
You tired, ne?
I'm exhausted.
You're exhausted.
I can't take this anymore. Like this.
So take me from the beginning. Niqale nini ukuthandana no brothers? Ubani igama la brothers?
Tepo.
Utepo.
Yeah.
When no Tepo, when did you start dating?
It's like we've only been together for 4 months.
4 months. What is it that you loved about uTepo le kwenza ukuthi wena kulo 4 months lona u stick it around?
Okay, the first time I saw him was at a mall. So I was buying some clothes and he approached me.
Nicely.
Like, you know, he was a gentleman.
A gentleman.
And he paid for my clothes and all that.
Oh, nice.
And
yeah,
how?
Now go to bungathenga into eningi ubukuphi?
I was just
Mr. Price. Ngiyadlala ngishongo.
Yeah, so from there we exchanged numbers and then we started dating and then he told me his age, I told him my age and everything was fine. But then like after a few weeks nigga wants me to sleep with him. Like we're not there yet. Like I'm not ready.
Dude, so mawuthi after weeks how lo mtshita mfethu bungakamshayisa ikhekhe weeks
like after weeks
so uzomshayisa nini?
I want us to break up because
because he's rushing
sex. He's rushing. I'm not ready.
So when the reason you are breaking up with this nigga is because he's rushing sex?
Yes, I'm not ready. I'm still young.
For hard sex?
4 years.
Have you?
No, nothing.
You are a virgin?
Yes.
Shit! On the show we have Virgin Mary. Siswami iphathe kahle yazi. Awuntombazana manje uhamba umhlanga ntombi nto. Angisawa yazi yalicini. Chichi bhaqa. Yeah, so you want to break up with him?
I do want to break up.
Yazi ngicela uku-advise before break up naye ne?
Yeah.
Ningaqomi maningakabi ready. Ngizokusiza ukuthi break up nale mfana but ningaboqoma maningakabi ready. I-relationship ihamba ne-sex. They are brothers and sisters like this. Okay. Alrighty. Unawo amanamba ka baby?
Yeah, I do.
Baby Tsepo.
Yes.
Alright. Swam uzowabheka lapho and then uzongidayilela wona ne? And then uzowadiala and then sikwazi ukuthi simfonele. Ngicela ukuthi ke mawusufone siswami please ask uLokhuzana kahle ngithi yena wazi ukuthi nisathandana. Ask him nicely ukuthi ucela ukuthi avele nje ngaphandle and then ufuna ukukhuluma naye nicely ungayijumpisi izinto ne? Yeah, ngicela umfonele. All right, guys, we are making that call and we are making sure that uTsepo uyasondela mfethu khona my sister ezokwazi ukuthi amdlalele inkinga zakhe ukuthi she's sick and tired of being sick and tired akasamufuni. This is Angisakufuni, your #1 show. Dial mtakama? Yes. Iyo le?
Yes.
Okay. Dial ufake speaking. Alrighty, we are calling Tsepo right now. Sisibambe. Ukhulume nendoda yakho kahle ke.
Hello?
Hello, hey, how are you?
Hi, baby. How are you?
I'm doing fine and how are you, madam?
I'm okay. Where are you? I'm around your street. Can I pass by? It's me, Avida, babe.
Okay, no stress, my beautiful.
Okay.
You find me here by the corner.
Okay, just wait for me outside. I'll be there in a few minutes.
Okay, no stress, that's it.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, phela kawazi amanamba ami. So you need to explain.
He doesn't care, don't worry.
He doesn't care.
He doesn't care.
Ah, this is the one. You loved him, ne?
I did a lot.
The problem was the.
Yes, at least he could have waited.
You could have waited.
Yeah.
Okay, sister. Okay, uzoya ke and then sizokulandela. Ngicela ukuthi umuve fast. All right, khona solo khuzana. Umcele nje kahle umconvince yezwa.
Okay.
Righty, he wants to get the shilai. Kanti umntana uthi no, sex is enough bafethu. Sex is sex njalo nje. You want to sex this kid and this kid can't be sexed because she's still a unsexable, no sex. Sex. It's sex nje. Lo mfana ufuna sex kulo mntwana. Come, Chris. It's going crazy, it's going bananas, guys. As we are waiting for La Vita, Eolanda, Ulokuzana, Utsepo, I just want to say to you guys, thank you for your support. We made it to 20,000 subscribers on King Ginger TV, and we are urging for more. Please, guys, tell a friend to tell a friend. We must subscribe on this Shandis. It's your #1 show. Kokamtanam and Angsakufuni.
Something small, like don't panic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, no stress.
How Baba Man?
How was it?
How was that?
You saw the different number that I called you with, okay? So I was using somebody else's phone.
Sure, my brother.
My phone was off.
How's it, Spence?
Sure.
Are you good?
Doing fine, bro.
Ah, good. Ubani kami usep?
Table, yes.
Sepo, uchinja mfethu ne?
Okay.
Sure. Ngihamba no my sister lana ngithiwe no my sister yamazi.
Yes.
Oh, you know each she's your?
She's my girlfriend.
Oh, nice. So I want to know from you because she told us nice things about your relationship, bra wami yabo. Ungitshelile ukuthi uyakuncanya, uncenye the way umphatha ngakhona and uncenye the way umtreata ngakhona. You are a good guy. I want to know from you, what is it that you love about umuntu wakho?
I love my girlfriend. As you can see, she's beautiful, brother.
Oh, no power.
And she's dark, yeah.
She's dark, ne?
Yes.
No power to that, my brother. And I'm happy ukuthi niyathandana. So do you see future between you two mhlambe nibona nikuphi in the next year?
Yeah, I see myself marrying her, man.
Mary, ne?
Yeah.
She's a Mary and she's a Mary product. Marry me, my love. I can't wait to marry you. Do you know that song? Juru. Oh, Juru. DJ, call me. What up, man? Mamas. Ngicela ukuthi ke my brother, there's something usiswami afuna ukutshela yona ngathi ngifuna ukuproposa noma ufuna ukuthini, but siswami ngicela ukuthi umtshele yonke lento ade ungitshela yona and umtshele konke ofuna ukumtshela khona kodwa afuna ukutshela zona umtshele sister khona sohamba.
Okay. So, babe. Okay.
Yeah, ithi ngime la khona uzomtshela kahle khona nizo hayi kodwa mtshele eduze owakho lo muntu angathi akuthanda nje.
So we've been dating now, like for 4 months, right? And the thing
Sister
is,
mtshele konke angithi wena kade ungitshela yonke into la mtshele ungamsabi out of grand.
What's up?
just don't. Okay, just relax, okay?
Yeah, relax.
So,
Uzo relax vele ngeke ngenze lutho.
it's just that.
Sister mtshele yonke lento ade ungitshela yona angithi kade ukhuluma freely lapha. Mtshele phela mfethu mtshele nangu uyaworried manje umzala. Khuluma sister. Khuluma.
So the
Mfethu uma isister mfethu konke afuna ukutshela khuluma.
okay.
Ngizomtshela ke mina yonke lento ade ungitshela yona.
Why don't you say whatever that you want to say, bro?
Yeah, say it.
I don't think I want to proceed with this relationship.
Nasisiwami. No, my brother, akaqondile kanjalo. Uthi akasakufuni. Mtshele le zonke lezi zinto obungitshela zona sisiwami ukuthi wena awusamfuni ngoba ukwenzani lona ufuna ukuthi nenzeni, ukufaka umkhubo omubo ukuthi nenzeni. My brother, ngicela urelax mfethu uzwe ukuthi indaba bekushiya. Vele uthi akasakufuni. Into esizelelana kahle kahle wena my brother, yabo mina njengoba ngila. Mina igama lami nguKing Ginger yabo. So ngambe ngisiza abantu ukuthi batshele abantu ukuthi abasabafuni. Uma isithi uthi sokutshela wena.
So why should you bring these people to me?
Because you have anger issues and I was scared to tell you personally.
No anger issues today. No.
Like,
Sister, mtshele the way ongitshele ngakhona. Awuthi uthi akasakufuni ngoba wena mtshele yena nale yanto.
okay, so like it's just 4 months, and like in a few weeks you already wanted us to be sleeping. Like I can't do that. I told you that so many times. My mom is gonna kill me if she finds out that I slept with a guy. Like I am not ready. I can't do this. I've been trying to tell you, but
Okay, so why are we dating then?
like
No,
we can take it slow. Like at least a year, then we can like get it
A
there.
year?
Why not? Why not? Why in a few weeks? What if you leave me after that?
Okay, why didn't you talk this thing with me?
Yeah.
Because you have anger issues. Every time I approach you for something serious, you're
Why should
always
I have
angry.
anger
You
issues?
see,
Have you ever
can
seen me?
Look, you can see how you're acting now. Like, how am I supposed to tell you personally you're gonna kill me?
Okay, sorry.
So when my brother, if you don't understand what she's saying to you, she doesn't want you anymore. It's over because you love sex too much. You asked for sex in 2 weeks and you wanted to
He's
fuck
not
it.
even serious about me.
not-
Like,
yeah.
when I say no,
Okay.
he's going out with my friends. I saw the pictures.
Yeah. So now it's over because when you are
So
fucking
why are you
friends.
bringing this
You keep on
right
asking
now?
me the same thing I told you. It's not the first time I ever approached about a serious matter. You have anger issues and I can't.
And you need to stop your anger issues. My brother, listen, Fethu, you need to take what she's telling you because...
Boza,
Yeah,
this is my girlfriend.
And a poser.
I know how to talk to her, Baba.
A poser, you can't tell me, Uguti, this is your girlfriend, you know how to talk to her. This is your ex-girlfriend. You guys are no longer together, so you no longer know how to talk to her. She called me here.
So you're going to listen to whatever that he's saying now.
Because
boss.
you never gave me time to.
Get up. You never gave her
You
time.
wouldn't talk to me like this
Come.
when it's only the two of
My
us.
brother.
Okay.
You are so aggressive.
How about all the things that I've done for you?
What? You did that on the first days when we met. After that, you never did it anymore. All you wanted was sex.
Sex.
What are we dating for then?
Can't you date for love?
Isn't that love?
Sex is love.
Yeah.
You want sex, you don't want love.
But sister, can I correct this one?
Avida.
Laveda is calling you.
Avida,
Stop pretending.
I love you, man.
No, you don't.
You love sex, ne?
Yes.
So right now you want to dab me in front of all these guys.
I didn't want to do it this way, but this was much easier.
My brother, you are a man. You need to accept your defeat. She says she doesn't love you anymore. You need to accept that. And you need to continue fucking her friends because it's what you could at. So my brother... Yeah, it's what you could at. What am I going to say? Siswam, are
It
you...
was a mistake again.
A mistake.
It was a mistake.
How?
Avida. I didn't
How?
do it intentionally.
Wait.
So when,
Explain, how did a mistake
happen?
Like how?
how does a mistake happen?
How
You
does
pull
the
your
open-
dick out.
how? By
and
mistake?
Then, by mistake. It
The zip
enters.
is open by
By
mistake.
The underwear
The legs
is
are
down.
open by mistake.
The dick is in.
By mistake. See what I told you.
She's not giving it to me, Baba. What must I do then?
Can't you wait?
Wait.
Show me that you're serious. What
I'm
if
a
I was
man,
testing
I'm a
you?
man,
What if
I'm a
I was
man.
testing you?
What if?
How can...
How
Oh,
can?
you were testing me all this time.
Why not? Why shouldn't I? You just proved yourself.
You love sex, bruh. And this is not a sex machine. This is a girl. So my brother, Siswam, tell her last time what you wanted to say. Tell her. And please tell her in Zulu, ANGISAKUFUNI.
ANGISAKUFUNI.
Yeah, it's over, my brother. You need to get another sex slave because this one is no longer on the market. Yeah, it's over, Mfethu.
Avida, can we please talk
No.
about this?
There's nothing to talk about. If you wanted to talk about this, no, I don't know. So that you can do it when I don't want you to go to what? My mother, my sister. No.
You're gonna fuck with the whole family.
I told you I won't go back there to your friend. I promise. I love
When you did it
Avida.
twice. When you did it twice.
I love you, Avida.
No.
No, my brother, we're not
Please,
here.
stop misusing
Listen,
that
my brother,
word.
stop changing this. We are here to tell you that it's over. Don't try and convince her. You no longer love her. Right?
No, I don't.
You have another boyfriend now.
I'll get another
You'll
one.
get another one. My brother, she will get another boyfriend. You must get other girlfriends and her friends. It's over, my brother. No, don't try and convince us here. Don't try.
Are you going to end this?
It's ending.
You heard me right.
Will you finish what you started?
I'm done.
Is that a threat? Hey, my brother,
done.
don't threaten a girl. Don't threaten a girl here. Because I'm going to threaten you too.
Hey, Baba.
Hey, Baba. It's over, I'll tell you. You must accept to being dumped. Yeah, you are being dumped. And putwa mina ungalokhu ngisabisa ngoba mina ngithunywe ulavita la ukuthi azokutshela ukuthi wena umen sex slaves. Hawu. Sure mfethu. Sesihamba futhi thina ungalokhu silandela la. Vusi. Sambeni.
No,
No
please don't
lavita
call
nothing.
me.
Don't call her. My sister. So you certain with this? Sure,
Yes,
you
I'm
you
sure.
done.
I'm sure I'm done. At least if we went for somebody else, but not my friend, like, no.
Hamba
that was
mfethu
worse.
ungalokusimele phela lana. Ho. It's over. Oh. Oh. So sister, so now you're gonna live your free life. This guy is no longer in your life. So are you available in the market to date?
Give me 1 month. I'm still preparing myself. I need to, be extra than now.
So now are you gonna make another boyfriend wait for a year for sex? Not even touching amabele?
Yes.
I but my job here was to help you to break up with your guy, and it's what I'm assigned for. And if you can say thank you to King Ginger TV, King Ginger, and we let you go.
Thanks to Ginger TV, like, guys, you can see, I'm fine now. I'm happy. I'm smiling.
Yeah,
So,
and then no one
thank
touched
so-
you, no one tried and
Nobody.
throw threats. Yeah, this is King Ginger TV, Bafethu. My name is King Ginger, as you all know, and this is King Ginger TV. Make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you tell a friend to tell a friend. Ukuthi sekufike another show, Angisakufuni with King Ginger. It's going crazy. It's going bananas. It's breakup time, mtanami. Hey yo.